want us to hear from the representative of our October 2023 learning session. The reason why we're listening to them, we want to also get to know how the experience generally has been for them. They've been in tech school for a year now, over a year. They joined just like you joined for this summer. They joined the Tech Summer 23, that's Tech Summer 2023, just like you have joined, and you have had these experiences and you've learned these interesting things that you've learned. And now they took it a step further and went into the proper learning session that started in October 2023, like a new session is about to start in October 2024. And for the past 1 year, they've been learning interesting skills. With the skills they've been learning, they were able to go for a competition. Most of you are aware about this competition. They went to Port Harcourt for a STEM festival where they won, right? Outside that, they went for their junior internship. Junior internship is a program where they get to work for 1 month in a real life company. And at the end of the 1 month program, they get paid. And after that, they now have their projects, the project defense, which is coming up later on this September. So it's been 1 year for them, over 1 year for them. They are on the verge of completing their entire program for 1 year. So we want to hear from them very briefly, share with us their experience, and also encouraging you, those of you who are going to be resuming your journey in October, right? Because this is just the start. You have just sparked a fire in you. Now you've started, you will need to continue, right? You will need to continue so that you can be built methodically. Let's start with Joy. Just keep your camera or keep your mic on. Let's start with Joy. Your name, where you're joining from, and when you joined Tech Skool.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Joy Igwemba, and I'm joining from Onitsha, Anambra State. I joined Tech Skool last year, August 2023. I've been studying software engineering for a year.
Prior to learning software engineering, what I want to know is, did you know anything about coding? Did you know anything about engineering? Did you code? Did you know how to code?
But I didn't know how to code.
So tell me, for the past 1 year, in very brief, for the past 1 year, what has your experience been like?
Okay, so things that last year I was like every student here, every learner here, and I was just excited as they are to join Tech Skool. I can remember that feeling, and the whole thing was that I was very, very interested and eager to learn about the whole stuff because I was new to the learning and all. So I learned so much, and this year we put everything that we have learned into a competition. We built a project that took us 2 months to build, and Team Tech Skool, competed in smart traffic management. We worked so hard for everything, and the thing was that we took first place, and it was very, very amazing. It was so mind-blowing how our efforts paid off. Everyone was proud of us, including our principal, our coaches. They were also proud of us, even our parents. And the best part of it was this August, this year, we did our internship program, and we got to go to a school where we teach people like you. It was very rewarding, and the thing is that it's something to learn. It's something to learn by yourself, and it's another thing for you to teach others. Yeah, and as you teach, you learn. So I know that being in tech school, coding, you being in machine digital tools, graphics design can be challenging sometimes. There are moments where you want to give up, like everything is just dawning on you. But the thing is just that you have to keep going, because someone once told me that you should always trust the process, no matter how the process is, even if it seems rigid and all. You should always trust it, and trust me, the outcome will be very, very amazing. Tech school is an incredible opportunity for every one of us to learn and grow, and also to make new friends. Like someone said here that with the help of tech school, her joining tech school, she was able to overcome her social anxiety. And it can be the same for all of us. And who knows, you all might be even going for a competition next year, next 2 years, and you might even come out as the winner. Thank you.
Awesome. I like that. I hope you guys are hearing, because this is from someone who has spent the past 1 year learning, right? And she's sharing with you her experience, and I think that's super awesome for you to say those things, Joy. Not just that you went for a competition, but you've also gone for a junior internship where you've gotten paid, and then now you are talking about your project defense, which is coming up sometime this September. So thank you so much for sharing all that.